Hello everyone, in our tutorial today, I am going to show you how to install Reshade in FIVEM. So first, you just have to go to any web browser and then type Reshade and then tap the very first link that you can see here. Okay, so tap this one and it will take you directly to another page. Now you have to click OK and you have to scroll down till you see this download reshade. Okay, so you have to scroll down right here. Now you can see here two options, but you have to select the very first one. Okay, so tap download reshade 601. And then after that, you will see a notification at the top right corner that it is now starting to download. Once done, go to download folder and then tap run as administrator. Now, here's the thing. What you want to do is to simply browse your GTA 5. Usually, of course, you can locate that on your local disk, a program files 86, and then look for Epic Game. Now, here you have to look again for GTA 5. Okay, and then after that, what you want to do is to tap next here. So as you can see, we have here GTA 5. Here you have to select this DirectX 10, 11, 12. Tap next and then uncheck all, and then check all again to make sure that you have checked all here. And then tap next. So you have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Now, once done, what you want to do is to simply click next, and that's it. Now, we're going to open your GTA folder here. Okay, so you are on your Epic Games GTA, as what I've mentioned earlier. You can see that in your program files. And then here you have to locate this local app data. You can tap run and then type person symbol, click OK. And then here it is. So we're going to look for FIDEM folder here. So yes, we can see it on your local disk and then program files. And then tap your FIDEM, app data, and then locate plugins. So what we're going to do here is to simply copy the following to our 5M plugins. First is this reshade and then this dxgi.dll and then this reshade and reshade preset. So you have to click copy, right click copy, and then right click paste or control V. So that's it. That's how easy it is to simply install it to your FiveM, or that's how easy it is to simply install this reshade to your GTA. And once you're done with this, now you can open your FiveM, you can open your game. And actually, this is what it looks like once you have installed your reshade to your game. You will probably see once you open your game, you will see that reshade is now processing. So you will see here it's not compiling 74 effects. This may take a while, so you have to wait for that. And after you finish this, I mean the process, you will see that you can see tons of effects for your game. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and all you have to do is to pick or select the effect that you want. And that's how easy it is. So thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.